Tiny Turtle here, and
Ian signed up.
today we're gonna chug a liter of soda. This is our first video in 2 months, but you know what?
It's actually like 5, but
No, it's 2.
okay.
Look it up. Okay. Alright, and we'll start.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh my god, dude. Oh god. Look at what's that?
I don't know. Pour something on it. Wow.
Cool. Oh my god, I'm gonna get. Oh, it's one of those.
Looks like a maggot.
It's those ear pinchers.
Oh God! What?
You know?
Don't pick it up.
I'm gonna
it's
show
gonna
them.
pinch my ear.
Can't squish it.
Why?
Because that's mean. I don't know if I can do this. I already regret that. Ew. There's a wood chip in my mouth.
Man,
I don't know
look
if I can do this, man.
Drink it.
I have this much left to go. Yeah, but you drank more before.
Man, look at the burps.
God.
Oh my God! Oh my God! You might actually puke.
I know.
That sounded like a puke.
Ugh. I don't feel good. Oh, kids are coming.
So no. Oh God!
I
That
hope
was
they
a
don't confront us about this.
We have to do this before 10 minutes.
What if it's past 10 minutes, we get more ad revenue? That sounded like you were about to yes.
Nah.
Oh my god.
Oh God, it hurts.
Yeah, it does.
I'm gonna do 2 liters. Oh God.
What the fuck is it?
Show it. Maybe it's an ear. Wait, where did the ear
Oh, it's
pincher
an.
go?
I almost just threw up. No, it's an ant. Don't come near me, boy.
Josh, I can't.
Can't do this, bro.
Oh my God! Like, we might. Oh, okay.
I hate the person who suggested this. I know you're watching it right now, and I hate you. You're welcome for our suffering. Clean off your mouth.
No, I can't.
Good. Oh my god, I can't do this, bro.
You haven't taken a bite in forever. Taking a bite?
Taking a bite.
We still have like half a liter left.
This was a mistake.
I'm scared to get a good burp. I'm gonna puke. Oh God. Are you actually gonna yak?
I might.
Like, we're doing a really great job chugging this.
I know. I think the donuts were a mistake. If I never eat that, I might have been able to do this.
Josh, you have to. At least you have to finish it.
Finish it? What do
Yeah,
you mean?
You have to finish it.
It's gonna be like an hour-long video. But yeah.
No, you're not. No, you're not. No. I've never actually seen you like full on yak.
I know.
Only like small bits.
burps coming out.
My burps aren't even good. They're just like... Oh, it hurts. Try to get down to this point, Josh.
To that point, I'm just trying to get down to that. What is it? Like barely went down.
Did you hear that? She got like 7 in a row.
I couldn't have done that in the Logan Paul video.
Well,
I can't do it, dude.
drink, slave, drink.
My goal is just to get halfway.
What do you mean?
My goal is to get to that point.
No. Your goal is to get to this. This.
I'm not gonna finish my
You
goal
have
then.
to. Just start chugging.
Except then I feel my stomach filling up. And it's the
Something touched me.
worst feeling. Something's coming up. I don't know if it's a burp or a yak. Oh my god.
Oh god, it hurts.
It doesn't hurt, I just feel nauseous.
Oh. I'm just in a lot of pain right now. This is so much worse than burping 107 times.
Yeah,
I want to go back to that.
me too.
My stomach didn't even hurt at all.
I didn't mean
No,
to.
you just spilled, like... Get out of here!
I didn't mean
Oh shit, that's one of those, like, ear pinchers.
Matt, we are a family-friendly
Look!
channel.
Look at it!
Yeah, I know.
Are those
I know
gonna
what
kill me?
You really think it's gonna kill you?
What does it do? Does it pinch?
Matt, we're gonna have to send this to Greg to edit it now.
No.
So we can bleep it out.
No.
Matt, we're a family-friendly channel. You can't just be saying that. I'm gonna yak, hold up.
Oh god. It hurts. I don't know, man.
It's not even cold. It's like warm.
I feel like we should be
soap.
able to do this. I feel like we're just really bad.
Oh, that's pretty good. That one sounded weird. My nose is running.
That's because we're dying. Oh god. I'm going to finish. You, I don't know.
Are you gonna finish that?
Uh-uh. I might not finish it.
Maybe Mr. Beast does this. Not Mr. Beast. LA Beast does this for a reason.
Do it.
Do you think that helped?
No, it's to take his mind off of the thing that's happening. So it distracts him. Is it working?
No.
Keep doing it.
I'm trying. It's not working.
I just shut
You really?
Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Should we end it here?
We gotta keep going. It's a joke, Josh. I did that actually.
Are you sure?
Yes. It's really, like, I would know. I want to sit down. There's, like, weird creatures.
If you yak, I mean I'm punching you in the face without a doubt.
It's moving to my lower regions.
This is stupid.
Hey,
Sorry.
drink your soda.
I can't.
I feel like this is not hard.
That one had some moisture to that burp.
They all have moisture.
But that one had an extra.
I can't.
I know, it's hard.
Hello.
Hello. Okay, I have an idea. We'll end the video off. With us chugging as much as we can.
We're at 10 minutes. Are we actually?
Are we really at 10 minutes?
Oh god.
We gotta end this. Okay, chug. As much as you can hold. Okay, I'm done. I don't know how people keep eating when they're nauseous.
People eat when they're nauseous.
Well, like professional eaters.
This is a disappointment.
Alright, we gotta end it. This is a really long video.
This is a disappointment.
Alright, let's finish the outro song. Alright, Chad. BB. It's popping off. Go follow-
We just failed.
Matt, we're doing the outro. Don't have any negativity. Alright, Chad BB. Go follow my boy Chad space BEBEEBE on YouTube. He was a practice squad on the Vikings. And he's our YouTube channel name. And I didn't even know him when we made it. So go follow him.
What are you talking
It's gonna be cool. And well, we're signing off now. Beast Game Polys. Comment below what you want us to do next. Comment below if you're a beast gain caller.
Shut up! Jesus
Comment
Christ.
below if you're a low gain
I
caller.
swear to God, I will dump this on your shoes.
Okay. Goodbye. Where's the off button?